A real estate salesperson is a duly accredited natural person who performs service for and in behalf of a real estate broker. Kaya kailangan ninyo ng real estate broker. Kasi yung service na i-render ninyo ay para at in behalf of a real estate broker. Kaya importante na kasundo ninyo ang inyong real estate broker. Ang real estate broker is the one registered and licensed by the Professional Regulatory Board of Real Estate Service. So bakit ka naman magbebenta para sa broker mo? This is for or in expectation of a share in the commission. So hindi naman sa atin lahat yon sa salesperson. Of course, nurture kayo ng inyong broker, inaalagaan kayo, tinuturuan kayo, kinakadi kayo, share of commission yun kasi ang nasa batas. Because a real estate salesperson, hindi ninyo matutumbasan yung 12 hours ninyo na training, ang tawag dito. Hindi to CPD, this is a training. Hindi nyo matutumbasan yung 4 years na pag-aaral ng real estate broker. So, let's get real. Huwag tayong magdamot ng magaling naman ako magbenta, kaya dapat aking lahat yan. But, nasa batas talaga na in behalf of a broker, kayo nagbebenta for a share of the commission po. So how much is the commission? Depende sa usapan ninyo. Depende sa scope of work ninyo. In expectation of a share in the commission, professional fee, compensation, or other valuable consideration.